devil tell you that you have to drag all the pain of 2020 into the new year. Don't let him tell you that you have to drag the failures of yesterday into the new year. I hear the word of God says, I overcome. I overcome. Hey, yes, I overcome by the power of the blood. Yes, I overcome by the power of the blood. Hey, yes, I overcome by the power of the blood. Yes, I overcome by the power of the blood. I'm breaking chains with my praise, yeah. Hey, I'm breaking chains.